Have you ever wanted to enjoy delicious frozen drinks at home without using bags of ice? The Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68-ounce slushie machine makes it easier than ever to create cafe-style frozen beverages in your own kitchen. Simply pour in your favorite juice, soda, iced coffee, lemonade, or cocktail mix. Choose one of the built-in presets and let the machine do the work. In as little as 20 minutes, you'll have smooth, flavorful slushies with a rich texture. No blender and no extra ice required. The large 68-ounce tank makes it perfect for serving family and friends, whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, birthday party, or movie night. The easy pour dispensing handle lets you fill your glass quickly and without any mess.
The bright LED touch controls are simple to use, and when you're finished, the built-in self-cleaning function helps make cleanup fast and hassle-free. Whether you're making frozen lemonade, fruit slushies, frappés, milkshakes, or frozen cocktails, the Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease delivers refreshing drinks with minimal effort. If you're looking for an easy way to enjoy frozen beverages at home all year round, this machine is definitely worth considering. Check the affiliate link in the description below to see today's price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the best kitchen gadgets and Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.